7th, today we'll start the new chapter, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdoms. So whatever exercises are left, so tomorrow I will provide you all the exercises. So today I will start the chapter number 7, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdoms. So the theme of in this chapter, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdoms, rise of the Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms, characteristics, feature of the two kingdoms, causes of their rivalry, important rulers and their contribution. What is the contribution in this chapter? So Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdoms. So Vijayanagara kingdom established when 1336. Vijayanagara kingdom established 1336. Bahmani kingdom established 1347. Bahmani kingdom established 1347. Reason of the Firod Shah Bahmani 1397 to 1422. Clear? Reason of Krishna Deva Rai 1509 to 1530. Now the end of the Bahmani kingdom. The end of the Bahmani kingdom is 1537. Okay? So the Pandyas, the Hoslas, the Kakyas and the Yadavas had come to dominate the vast region of South India. After the decline of Chalukya and Chola kingdoms, however, as a result of repeated campaigns in Deccan and South India by the Sultans of Delhi, their power started to weaken and ultimately they came under the dominations of the Sultanate of Delhi. But the Sultanate too failed to keep them under the control for long, and two independent kingdoms, namely the Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdoms, rose to power in 1336 and 1347 CE. So respectively, the Vijayanagara kingdom, it's a very very important part. Vijayanagara kingdom, when Muhammad bin Tughlaq campaigned in Warangal, he also captured Harihara and Bukka. Harihara is the name and Bukka is a city and a place. Harihara and Bukka is a place. Sons of Sangama, who was a ruler of Kampali. Harihara had earlier converted to Islam but reconverted to Hinduism. He and his brother were later sent back to Kampali to crush a revolt. There, Harihara and Bukka asserted their independence, and in 1336 CE, they established the independent kingdom of Vijayanagara, city of victory. They followed the Shaivit tradition. Shaivit means worship of Shiva. Shaivit traditions means worship of Shiva. In military technology, the two brothers were influenced by the trains in the Delhi Sultanate and further extended their empire. It became a great kingdom of the south, consisting of Madras and Mysore, reaching up the Cape Comorin. 16 rulers from 4 dynasties. The first one is Sangama, Solva, Tolva and the Arvinda ruled over the Vijayanagara Empire for 230 years, 1336 to 1556 CE. Now Krishna Deva Rai is a very important part. Krishna Deva Rai. What is the period of the Krishna Deva Rai? 1509 to 1530 CE. Clear? So the greatest ruler of the Vijayanagara Empire was Krishnadevaraya, who ruled from 1509 to 1530 CE and belonged to the Tolva dynasty. A brave general and a good administrator. He is a brave person and a good administrator. Administrator means official person. He attacked the Brahmani kingdoms, which had broken into 5 parts. He attacked the Brahmani kingdoms, which had broken into 5 parts. He also suppressed the feudatory chiefs and conquered the Rajor Dao. The king of Bijapur and Odisha were defeated and captured by him. The most important line in this chapter: the king of Bijapur and the Odisha were defeated and captured by him. The ruler of Udayagiri was compelled a surrender. The ruler of Udayagiri was compelled and surrender. So he constructed dams for irrigation, which brought prosperity to the state. In order to promote trade, he established friendly relations with the Portuguese. For what? For trade, for business, and allowed them to settle along the west coast and build a fortress. He also built a number of beautiful places and temples. He also built beautiful temples and places. He was a great scholar of Sanskrit and Telugu. He patronized men of learning and gave liberal grants to Brahmins. During his rule, the Vijayanagara Empire reached the zenith. What is the meaning of zenith? Zenith means peak of its glory. He died in 1530 CE and was succeeded by weak ruler like Sadashiva and Ramarya. Ramarya at the age of 96 was defeated by the Bahmani king in the Battle of Talkota in 1565 CE. Administration is a part of our official part. Hampi in the present day Bellary district of Karnataka. Hampi, where? Karnataka, was the capital of Vijayanagara. Clear? The Vijayanagara rulers set up an efficient administration which revolved around the assessment and collection of land revenue. The king was the supreme authority in civil, military and judicial matters. He ruled with assistance of council of ministers who were headed by a number of officials. The Portuguese traveller Domingos Paes was struck by the magnificence of the court, which was adorned by a number of distinguished scholars, artists and foreign visitors. For administrative efficiency, the empire was divided of kottams. Kottam means district under the rulers of Vijayanagara. Kottam means district under the ruler of Vijayanagara, which were further divided into nadas. Each kottam was under the charge a governor who generally belonged to the royal family. Each kottam was under the charge of governor who generally belonged to the royal family. Clear? The governor had both military and judicial powers. The nadas were further divided in a number of villages or grama. They paid a part of their revenue to the king and also rendered military services. The village headman managed the affairs. The village headman managed the affairs of the village with the help of the panchayat. Thank you.